Hi and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to perform an evil twin attack. An evil twin is a rogue or fake wireless access point that appears as a genuine hotspot. The idea is to set up your own network that looks exactly like the one you are attacking. So let's get started. First step, as always, is to make sure you have your wireless adapter into monitor mode, and then scan all the wireless access points in your range using AeroDump NG and the name of your interface. Now you need to find the access point you want to clone. Mine is Skynet, so I'm going to use Airbase NG, which is a tool used to convert your wireless card into an access point. So go ahead and type in the following: Airbase NG -A and the MAC address of the access point you want to clone, -E for the name of the network, and channel 6, and then the interface WLAN 0 MON. Now the fake access point is running. Next step is forcing the client to disconnect from the real access point and connecting to your fake access point using the following command: airplay ng -00-a and the MAC address of the real access point. Now if my signal is stronger, he will automatically reconnect to my evil twin. As you can see, a client has connected to my fake access point. Okay, so now I need to provide internet access to the fake access point. And to do this, you just have to know which interface is providing you with internet. Mine is ETH0. First of all, you will need bridgeutils. So go ahead and type apt-get install bridgeutils. And after the installation has completed, type brctl add brfake. You can name it any way you like. In my case, I have named it fake, but it doesn't really matter. Next, type brctl add if fake ETH0. This will create a bridge between fake and ETH0, which has internet access. You also need to add the interface which is created by Airbase NG. So use the same command, just change the name of the interface to AT0. This interface should be the same on your system, because Airbase NG will create this interface for you. Next step is to add IP addresses to these interfaces and bring them up. So go ahead and type ifconfig AT0 up, and then ifconfig fake up. And finally, the evil twin attack is complete. The client is now connected to your fake network and can use the internet. Now all the packets that go from the user to the internet pass through your interface, and these packets can be monitored with Wireshark. So in your terminal, type Wireshark and wait a few seconds, and then go up here and click capture and select the interface you have created. In my case is this one right here called fake, and press start. And now you can listen to all the wireless traffic on fake interface. So have fun and thanks for watching.